Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Mole and today's video topic is multi-threading in a Java. The multi-threading in a Java, it is the process of the executing the multiple threads are simultaneously. The thread is a lightweight the sub-process, the smallest unit of the processing and multiple processing and multiple threading. Both are the used to the achieve a multitasking. And however, we use the multi-threading and then multiprocessing because which is the share memory area. They don't allocate the separate memory and area, so saves the memory and constant switching between the threads take less time than the process. And next is the advantages of Java multithreading. First is it doesn't block the user because threads are independent and you can perform the multiple operation at the same time. And next, the second advantage is you can perform the many operation together, so it is a save the time. And third advantage is the threads are independent because so it is doesn't affect and other threads if exception occurs in the single thread. And next point is multitasking. The multitasking is the process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use the multitasking to utilize the CPU, and multitasking can be achieved are in two ways. First is process based multitasking and second is thread based multitasking. The first we'll discuss in a process based multitasking. The process based multitasking is each process has a address in a memory. In other words, so each process allocate the separate memory area. And second part is a process is heavyweight and cost of the communication between the process is high. The next is the switching from one process to another requires some time for saving and loading register, memory maps, and updating list, etc. Second multitasking is thread-based multitasking. The thread-based multitasking is thread share the memory address space and the thread is lightweight and cost of the communication between the thread is low. And what is the thread in a Java? The thread is lightweight subprocess. The smaller unit of the processing is the separate path of the execution. Threads are independent. If there occurs the exception in one thread, but it doesn't affect in other threads. It users share the memory area. And next is threads is executed inside the process, and there is content switching between the threads. There can be multiple process inside the operating system, and the one process can have a multiple threads used in a Java, used in a operating system. And at the time one thread is executed, only one. And the Java threads class. The Java thread class means the Java provides the thread class to achieve thread programming, and thread class provides constructors and methods to create the perform the operation and operation on a thread. The thread class extend the object class and implement the runnable interface. And Java threads in a method. The multiple methods of the multi-threading. The first method is wide method, and wide method is start method. The start method is return type is wide, and description is it is used to the wide method start the execution of the thread. And second method is run method. The run method is used to the do action for the thread is a start method. And next is sleep method. The sleep method is it is used to the it sleep a thread for the specified amount of the time is a sleep method. And is a number of method of the multi-threading, and is all about this the multi-threading in a Java. And thank you.